It's been a long weekend. I need to clean up. Huh. Oh, that feels much better. Oh, camera's on. Oh, yeah, it's Rewind with Mr. Altier, episode 33. Good morning, Science 8 students. How are you doing? Welcome to the last week of the school year. I know you guys are incredibly excited. I know I am excited. We got summer around the corner and it's going to be awesome. And it just can't. I'm excited. Guys, I will say this. I do miss. I forgot. Say, guys, let me introduce you to my doppelganger, my younger brother, Nick. He's somewhere around here. There.
Hi!
Nick helped me with this video this morning, and this is my brother, Nick.
Morning, class. Nice to meet y'all.
Awesome.
Have a good day.
Oh, it's perfect. Well, guys, like I said, I hope you're doing awesome. Welcome to our last week of classes. Boy, where do we start? There isn't a lot of announcements today, but the big one, of course, is that don't forget we have your final exam on Thursday. I sent an email out on Friday. I'll probably send another one out. It's at 9 a.m. for all students. It's going to last 1 hour. It's mostly multiple choice, like a lot multiple choice, say like 98% multiple choice. And it's you've already taken the test before. You took it back in September when you guys took it as a pre-test, and before it was like, what do I know? I haven't had any of this. Most of it is on stuff before our wonderful isolation time. So you guys are gonna be fine. Now, here's the catch. It cannot in no way lower your grade, okay, guys? It cannot lower your grade whatsoever, but it can cause things to go up. So definitely want to give you your best shot and so on and so forth. So, guys, that's about it for now. Let's take a look at what we have for some announcements. Ooh, pretty picture. Nothing on the stream as usual. However, we've got our Monday, the May 18th. Now, a couple things, guys. I know some people are going to want to know about late work. The only late work I'm going to be accepting is anything from last week forward. Okay, so stuff from last week, that's it. We're not going to worry about stuff any further than that. I just want you to focus first and foremost on stuff that we're doing now. Okay, there's going to be a lot of it, but then you can go back and start picking some other things off. As usual, guys, start with the read first section right there. And we've got your picture of the day. We've got a couple of songs of the day. We have a cool website that actually has a lot to do with the topic that we're going to be doing. So feel free to check it out. In fact, I really encourage you to check it out. It's definitely worth it. And then we have a couple of ed puzzles. And that's it. As I promised, you guys have no more journals for the year. So enjoy that and so on. So a shout out to my brother for his assistance on the wonderful video this morning. And also a shout out to my wife, who's been very helpful in with my labs and things, showing you guys stuff this year. So with that, this is Mr. Altier wishing you a most wonderful day, signing off.